Right, so this is real life moment where your baby starts crying and is hungry and you're trying to hurry out the door, and you know, makeup just isn't as much of a priority these days. Hello everybody, I'm Chantel Paige. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a really quick tutorial about my mom makeup routine. I had a baby. She's 3 months old almost now. Hear her crying in the other room with my husband. These days, makeup routines are really quick. Also, side note, I haven't washed my hair in, I'm not even gonna admit how long it's been, but it's been a really long time. First mommy hack that I suggest is, my favorite is Batiste. It's an inexpensive dry shampoo, but I'm obsessed with it. Brush it out real quick. I kind of just curl my hair like every couple days, and then it usually stays decently enough. Step one, down, Batiste. Next up, you need a good skincare routine, because that's, I think, one of the key things is better of skincare routine that you have, the easier it is to just kind of walk out the door with less makeup on. Carry a water bottle around with you all the time, especially if you're breastfeeding. You have to drink so much water all the time. And then next up is, I actually partnered with Essence. I partnered with them because I genuinely love their collection. They also are doing a fun Mother's Day limited edition bag, which is what this is, that comes with these two. Their vitamin C oil, and then we have their peptide, the eye gel. So I will dab this on. You put a little bit in your hand, rub it into your skin. Visibly brightens your skin with an oil soluble, stable form of vitamin C. So there's a bunch of vitamin C's out there. This is a really good one though, because it's actually a vitamin C that gets into your skin in a really great way. It has rose oil to help leaving your skin look exceptionally radiant, which is amazing as well. And then all those things get rid of, they reduce fine lines and wrinkles. Next up, I will do the peptide eye gel. You need barely any of this. What I love about this guy is that it visibly reduces the dark circles under your eyes, which is, I mean, we're moms, we're not sleeping all that much. Great for you if you're a mom as a self Mother's Day present, or get it for your mom, guys. Yeah. And then this plumps your skin as well, which is great. So it's a good one. I always work with companies that I genuinely use and love. I only do sponsored posts with companies that I like the products. So these are good ones, promise. It's $88 for this little kit. Comes with the bag too. It's really cute. Good Mother's Day present. Okay, on to, actually hold that thought. I'm gonna go check on my crying baby real quick. So what I do is I take this guy. It's the Arborian CC cream. It's my favorite. I don't ever use foundation unless it's like a, I don't know, a party, or like my skin isn't quite as great, but you literally just take this and kind of swish it around. The cool part is it's white when it goes on, and then it turns to the color of your face automatically. Then I take this guy, it's the Maracuja Creaseless Concealer, I can never say the word, by Tarte as well, and I love it. I love Shape Tape as well, but I like this one better because it kind of gives you that less makeup look. And I basically just put this all over my lid to just make it really even, and then under my eye. Then I take my foundation. Right now, because I'm not quite as tan, I'm doing the Hoola Light. All right, so this is real life moment where your baby starts crying and is hungry and you're trying to hurry out the door, and you know, makeup just isn't as much of a priority these days. Done. Too Faced, this is my new favorite. It's the Sweethearts Perfect Flush Blush in Sparkling Bellini. Go on my cheeks. This cheek. Okay, I'll be right back again to do my eyebrows and this. I'm gonna go check on the babes. Okay, we're back. the Foolproof Brow Powder is what I use first. So you kind of just go along the brow line with this, and this fills in the bottom. I have one is the shade that I use. I use this. It's the 24-hour brow setter, also by Benefit, to kind of just lock them in place, because otherwise these girls get crazy. Last but not least, we have mascara. So we're gonna put this guy. Always curl my lashes, because personally I just like it better when they are curled. I'm going to use the Bad Gal lash from Benefit and just kind of fill them in. So that is my mom 10-minute makeup, 15 minutes, sometimes 20, depending on, you know, stopping to feed the baby and put them in a wrap in between. It has a lot to do with your skincare products, so making sure that you have a good skincare routine is huge. Done, just like that. So yeah, you just want to make sure that you have a really good skincare regimen when you're doing this, because that's a big part of it. So again, I really love this guy, the Biosense package. They're doing the Mother's Day $88 for the $126 set with the eye gel and the oil. So it's a good combo, great for a Mother's Day gift to yourself or for your mom. And then of course, can't forget the dry shampoo. So hopefully that was helpful. Hopefully you end up liking some of these products as much as I do. This is my go-to. Sometimes over top of this, well, most of the time over top of my oil, I'll also use a face lotion, but I forgot to bring it out here. So I'll link that all below for you guys to check it out. And go to biosense.com to get the Mother's Day gift care. And thanks again to Biosense for sponsoring this video. I appreciate it. I hope you guys love these products as much as I do, like I said, and happy Mother's Day. Love you guys. Enjoy. All you mamas out there, get your snuggle on. Whether your baby's a baby still or a big grown-up baby, I hope you get lots of love.